If you want to know how you can turn your wig from looking like this to this, then stay tuned and I'll show you how. So first we're going to start off by washing the hair. We're just going to go in and make sure that we get out all of the product, buildup that is in the wig, get out all of the dirt and all of the things that we don't want in the wig anymore. We're just going to give it a thorough wash, if you will.
I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me.
Immediately after washing, I just went in with this conditioner that I absolutely love. I love it for wigs as well as my natural hair. So I'm just going to go in and apply some throughout the wig generously, because we do want to make sure that we restore what has been taken from this wig.
No, I'm a child of God.
After we've applied the conditioner, we just want to go in with that dimming brush and make sure that we evenly distribute all of the conditioner throughout the hair. And we also want to make sure that we get out all the knots and tangles and make sure that everything is nice and smooth for our next step.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me.
So now we're going to dry the hair. If you don't like applying direct heat to your hair, then you can always opt for letting your wig air dry and then coming back the next day and completing these steps. But if you don't have a lot of time, then blow drying is the way. And so I'm just going to go in with the blow dryer and that dimming brush and make sure that we get out all of the knots and tangles and just make sure that everything is as smooth as possible for our next step.
You spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life. Was it beautiful when you saw everything you made? And it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I see you, the more I'm in awe. I can't help but feel this way. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Omniscient, your presence always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. To prove it that this is my shine. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side.
For me, the key to a really flat wig is to both go in with your flat iron as well as your hot comb. To me, that gives it a really flat finish. So first I'm going to go in with the flat iron, and I'm just going to go in section by section. Take your time, no rush, and you just want to go in and hit every portion with the flat iron. And this doesn't have to be bone straight, because we're going to make sure that it gets really straight with the hot comb.
This that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. It's a mood, but I said it right. We gon' feel right. We gon' be just right. And we gonna be, and we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be, we gon' be alright. It's that good news. Don't worry about me. Jesus got me. I stay winning. Say I stay winning. That's a fight.
That ain't melodic. This the hardest beat I ever heard.
Yeah.
Once again, you really want to take your time right here, because this is the step to ensure that your wig is really flat. So you just want to go in section by section and try your best to make sure that those sections are not too big, so that once again the wig is really flat. So I picked up that wax from Amazon, and I'll have everything linked in the description box below. So I just went in and applied a little bit, not too much, not too heavy, just a little bit, and you're going to go over it with a hot comb.
Come in my life and just play with me. You ain't even noticed the distance that's been between you and me lately. So when I am finally out here, let me know you cannot blame me. Oh, no, 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 no. It was fun while it lasted though. You better hit the road, baby, from us. Congratulations, cause you played yourself. Don't go looking for me and no one else, cause you're not gon' find it. I'm one of a kind, and you didn't apply enough pressure. It took to create this diamond.
Now will be the perfect time to go in and style your wig. I didn't do too much styling to this wig, so I didn't do it on camera, mainly because I'll be going back to change this from a middle part to a side part, because I just love a good side part. But if you like this video and you found it helpful, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.